Justin! Justin! You killed my two sons! Justin Trudeau! You killed my two sons with your lockdowns! Justin! My two sons are dead because of your lockdowns! You deprived my children of the necessities of life, and they're both dead because of you, Justin! Because of you! I have two granddaughters without a father because of you, Justin Trudeau. You killed my two sons, Kane and Jake Elsleger. One of them died on January 1st, and 6 months later the other one died. And you told me you were into this with me together. I never saw you. The truckers were into this with me together. And when I came to Ottawa, you had us beat up. You had your goons steal the sign of my two dead sons. You need to be charged with murder! I should have shown him the picture. Here's the picture of my